In a groundbreaking discovery, scientists have unearthed fossil evidence linking dinosaurs to modern birds, revealing that these majestic creatures are their direct descendants. Paleontologists found fossils that showcase feathers on dinosaurs such as the velociraptor, supporting the theory that feathers first evolved for insulation before aiding in flight. The famous Archaeopteryx, often considered the first bird, demonstrates features of both dinosaurs and birds. As researchers delve deeper, they uncover more species showcasing this transformative link in the evolutionary tree. This ongoing research continuously captivates audiences, proving that the thrilling story of dinosaurs has a living legacy in our skies today.